It's Mike again from MD Airsoft. I'm going to show you another tool today. This is a pinion gear removal tool which will allow you to replace the pinion head on your motors. It's a very handy tool. There's different versions of this. This is the one I like. It's very simple to use. Obviously, one side here with the pin is where you remove the gear. The opposite side will allow you to put a new head on. So I'm just going to quickly show you here how to use this tool. You want to rest the bottom end of the teeth on the pinion gear on the lip inside of this tool here. Now on some motors like high torques, this is kind of a pain because it doesn't want to sit nicely in here. So they have these two spacers that try to help keep it straight when you're removing the pinion head. All you have to do now is simply kind of push your thumb down so it stays level. If you can see here, you want to get this shaft to hit right in the middle, the shaft of the pinion gear. If you're off, like if you start twisting this and you're off on the teeth, it could crack the head of the pinion gear. So you just start twisting. Okay. Now it's going to be tight depending on the motor. It could be easy, it could be tight. Just keep spinning. It's going to move the motor down, but the pinion head's going to stay stationary. If you can see, there's a gap starting to form there. So just keep twisting. Okay. Okay, once it's easy, okay, you can now see that the pinion gear is removed from the shaft of the motor. Simply just pull it out, back this off, and pull out your pinion head. Now this is used to obviously replace the pinion head if yours gets worn or damaged. Now to put it back on, you simply do the reverse. Put this up into the device with the spacers to help stabilize it. So in this case, you want to move this all the way up so that it lines up with the pin of the shaft. When you're screwing this down, it'll move the motor down and it'll damage the cap of your motor. Okay? So putting it on the long shaft motors can be a bit tricky. Sometimes you have to kind of pull the motor out. Put the pinion gear kind of inside. Inside a bit like that. Having difficulties here. Okay, let's get it lined up here. Might have to edit this because it's taking a bit. Okay, so once it's upside down like this and you got it started on the shaft, there was still a gap between these two. So you just want to kind of hold it upside down, lined up. Just spin this until the bottom of the motor hits the cap, and just screw this on a bit more so it can't go down any further. And then simply just twist it on, and it's gonna press fit this onto the shaft. Okay, simple as that. So once it's on, back this off, put your spacers down, and then it's reinstalled back onto the shaft. Hope that helps clarify any questions. If you have any comments or questions about this in more detail, feel free to comment. This is Mike from MD Airsoft. Thanks for watching.